Hi, we're here to show you a dipping sauce for the coconut shrimp that we showed you in a previous video. And this is just a quick little recipe that I came up with. It really accentuates the coconut flavor and the tropical feel of the shrimp. So what I've got here is just a nonstick Teflon saute pan with some clarified butter. And I've started to warm that on about a medium-high flame. And I've got some fresh chopped garlic here. So we're going to go ahead and throw that in there and get a sizzle out of it immediately so that we start to get those really nice oils coming off of it and just kind of sweat. And I put quite a little bit more clarified butter than I needed simply because this is going to be an element to the actual dipping sauce itself. So we're going to let that just simmer just a tiny bit. As this is getting nice and oily and blooming, I'm going to go ahead and throw in some fresh basil as well. And as that garlic starts to turn a little brown, I'm going to go ahead and pull it completely off of the heat. And we're just going to let that basil bloom in there with that garlic as well. And I've got some chutney here that I'm going to throw into the pan. Just a small amount. And I've got some orange marmalade here that I'm going to throw in. So I'm going to go ahead and lower this a little because I've got that garlic a little toasty, but I actually wanted that to happen. Lower that just a little bit so that it has a really nice nutty aroma to come against all of these sweet things that I've thrown in. And I'm going to use a lime here. It's kind of a spatula, if you will. So we're going to let this stuff just kind of simmer together. And I'm going to start breaking down these really sugary, viscous items that I've thrown in there, that being the chutney as well as the marmalade. And while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in just a little bit of lime juice there from a quarter lime. So we're going to let this simmer just a little bit longer. And then we'll come back and show you the second part of the process, which is going to be throwing in this heavy whipping cream. We're going to simmer that down to make kind of this creamy dipping sauce. And then we're going to cut it at the very end with some white wine vinegar. So we'll come back in just a second and show you that.